would we do without our phones? They're an important part of our lives. And they need to look good. These are the coolest phone cases at school. I'm so bored. Psst, the teacher. Whatever, nerd. You know the rules. Put it away. Fine. Happy now? This is so annoying. I could look at this all day. Wait! That's me! I can definitely use this. I need to tear it in half. This is just what I need. I'll cut it to fit my phone case. Looking good. Huh? Let me see that. What's going on here? Meh. Probably nothing. I knew it would work. I'm out of here! Later, losers! Ugh! My phone! Someone grab it! No! This can't be happening! Maybe it's okay. A girl can dream. Ugh. Hey. Hi, Emily. Wait. Check out this phone case. That's all I need. Take a deep breath. Ugh. I should do something. Aha! I've got it! Emily! What is it now? You can have this. No thanks. Aw, someone's jealous. I'm not giving up. You'll never have a case like me. I know what to do. I need to work fast. I'll grab these shells. And I'll need a phone case. Time to get to work. I've got some glue. I'll spread it onto the phone case. I'll make it nice and thick. Then I'll take the shells. I'll place them onto the case. I don't want the glue to dry. Next, I'll need sand. I'll drizzle it over the case. This'll give it that beach vibe. That should do it. Wow, it's perfect! Emily, this is for you! I don't want… Wow, it's so pretty! Thank you! It's wonderful! She actually touched me. What the? Where did she get that? Who's jealous now? This is so unfair. Oh, class is over. I better go. Maybe I'll see you around. Oops, sorry. Move it, nerd. Meh, my case is better. Hey girl, you need to see this. Sounds good. You're gonna love it. Oh, wow! What are they doing? What's that? Looking for the latest phone case? We've got you covered. We've got everything you need. Don't miss out. You'll be the envy of all your friends. So fashionable. So chic. So you.
Wow.
Look good. Feel great. Get yours today. Whoa, did you see that? Can we help you? Just ignore her. I want it. Wait, how long? It'll be worth the wait. Wait. But I want it now. I have an idea. I've got a spare case. Let's do this. I have a gooey hand. I'll stick it to the case. I'll need another one. Then I'll grab my lip tint. I'll place it into the hands. It's nice and secure. It works. It looks great. Time to make my lips shine. Are you kidding me? That was the reaction I was looking for. Mwah. Whoa! Where did you come from? But you're my friend! No, I was your friend. I don't believe this. What is it? How could you do this? You betrayed me for a phone case? Awkward. I'm getting out of here. I'll never forget this! I wasn't expecting that. Look out! Be careful! Oops. Settle down. I better sit down. Ugh, he's mad! Let's get this over with. What are you doing? Sit down! What? No! This is so weird. You're making me dizzy! Stop it right now! Can we speed this up? I feel so alive! I can't stop! Does he have an off switch? Wait, your phone! That's not good! Hey, you dropped your phone! Say what? Never mind! I'll get it. Wait a second. I know what to do. I'll remove the case. I'll add these balls. Then I can put the case back on. That was easy. This should keep him occupied. Then move around. It's so much fun. Hey, look at this.
What?
I think you'll like it.
Whoa, so cool!
That's it. Sit down.
Whoa, this is amazing!
Something finally stopped him.
Whoa, I love this! It's great! Nice job! Phew, it's finally over. Let's begin.
Sounds good to me.
Oh, what's that? A birthday card!
Where is everyone? I'm supposed to be the popular one. I hope I'm not late for class. Ouch! Stupid door. What's wrong with her? This is the worst. Hey, are you okay? You can tell me. Look at this! Oh, right. I totally forgot! What do I do? No one remembered! I'm so sad! I need to think. I'll be right back. That's so sad. I need to cheer her up. I wonder. Maybe there's something in my locker. This isn't much. I have an idea. I'll take the popsicle stick. I'll wrap the wool around it. I'll make sure it's nice and tight. Now I'll stick it to the phone case. I'll add more. I'll stack them up. Then I'll cut the wool. I'll do it with each one. Then I'll remove the popsicle sticks. It makes a fluffy phone case. I'll add some pom-poms. Then 2 bunny ears. It's pretty cute. I can't wait to show it off. Hey, who wants to party? Sounds good to me. I think we're ready. This is the worst birthday. I want this day to be over. Surprise! Happy birthday! What? I don't believe it. We got you a gift. Wow, a new phone case. It looks like a bunny. You're the best.
My favorite part of the day. It's snack time.
I'm so hungry. I hate eating healthy. It tastes so bad. Did you see that movie?
It was so good.
An apple? Really? Mmm, delicious.
It doesn't get better than this.
I'd better be losing weight. I'm the same size. I give up. What's the point? Whoa, what's wrong with her? Stop eating candy! There's a new rule in class. Get rid of it. Wow, someone's mad. Hey, look at that. I know what to do. Cover me. I got the teacher's phone. Watch this. I'll need white fondant. I'll pipe it onto the case. I need to cover it. I'll need lots of fondant. So far so good. Now I need to smooth it out. I want an even layer. This shouldn't take long. That looks good. Now I'll switch colors. I'll pipe blue fondant onto it. I'll go around the edges. Then I'll stick on candy eyeballs. Then candy teeth. Next, I'll add sprinkles. It's so colorful. I think I'm done. It's good, huh? I'll put it back on the desk. Now we wait.
I'll give her a call.
Ugh, a bell pepper. Oh, someone's calling me. Wait, look at my phone. No, don't do it. What? Ahoo, you kids! Phew, what a relief. Woohoo! Freedom!
Did you see the teacher's face? I can't believe Kevin put a whoopee cushion on her chair. You like Kevin, nah. Hey, quit pulling my hair! Stop! I need to show you something. This is my new friend. Ooh, it looks so cuddly. But check this out. Huh? What happened to Teddy? Oh no, my pens have leaked. That's not good. Mom is gonna be mad.
Give me that! I'm so disappointed. That's it! Get out of here! You've brought shame on your family!
Where am I gonna go? Well, this is my life now. I'm a nomad. It's just me and the open road. And a giant bear!
Maybe it wants a hug. Maybe not.
I can't let that happen! I don't want to be eaten by a bear! I think I have an idea. I'll apply glue to the chips tube. I want to create a frame. I'll go all the way around and leave a small gap. Next, I'll place a zipper over the frame. It's your new pencil case! This is for me? This is awesome!
Wow. I can't wait to use it.
Where are my pens? They fit perfectly! You're the best, Mickey! I am, aren't I? Maud is too.
Pay attention, class. It's test day. And I've made it extra difficult. Okay, here's the first question. Which is the alkaline solution? This one or this one?
I know! It's the blue one.
What do you think, Stacy? Do you agree?
I'm not sure.
We've went over this. You should know it.
Look at this mess.
You really need to… okay. Let's try something different. Who is this?
I know it! Again. It's a guy who has funny hair.
I mean, technically you're right. She's good. What is this?
I don't know. I know! It's a beaker.
You're on a roll, Mickey.
Thanks.
Who can solve this? This is a tricky one.
Unbelievable. It's so dirty.
Remember to use… Wait, you saw that, right? Whatever. You have 4 choices.
Ugh, this is so hard. Not for me.
How does she know all the answers? I mean, she can't be that smart. I'm impressed, Mickey. She's gotta be cheating.
Can I help you? Someone scribbled all over the chalkboard. I'll have it looking as good as new.
Hey, what are you doing? Stop that!
Let go of my cloth! I mean it, lady!
Whoa! This is my chance. I just need a little extra help. I love technology. Where was I? Stacey, are you cheating?
Me? No way!
Okay.
Psst. Stacey, hand me the phone. Quick, before the teacher sees.
Thanks. Here's the next question.
I know how to help. Shh. I'll place the glue along the edge of the case. I'll make another line of glue next to that. Then I'll stick a pencil to it. I'll do this all the way across the phone case. I want the phone to be hidden. This is the answer to all your problems.
Okay, who thinks they can answer this? Mickey, what's that?
Huh? This? It's just my pencils.
Okay, fine.
Here, take this. Wow. Thanks. I'll put it right here. I'll have all the answers at my fingertips.
Come on, I don't have all day. Which is it?
This is amazing! Got it! It's that one!
Very good.
Thanks, Mickey! You should all be prepared for the test. As long as I have the course books, it'll be fine. Have you tried this soda? I mean, it's seriously good. I think I'm ready. I've went over everything. I just need to stay calm. Keep a clear mind. And that A is mine. I definitely need to get more soda.
Okay, class. This is the test.
I guess it's really happening.
Your time starts now.
Here goes. I'm glad we can use our books. It should make it easier. Where is it? I know it's in here somewhere.
It's game time. Let's do this. This'll be a piece of cake. There's no need to stress. Time is ticking.
I can't find it.
This is too easy. What's next?
Is it getting warm in here? This isn't going well.
I thought you had prepared.
Shh. I'm trying to concentrate.
You need to hurry up. The sands of time are passing. The end is nigh. You need to finish.
I'm totally gonna pass.
Ow! Hey, what's the big idea? You just hit me with a book. That hurt! Hold on. I think I know what to do. It'll stop Mickey hitting me with books. I'll place some colored drinking straws on heat-proof paper. Now I'll run an iron over the paper. This should melt the straws, but stop them from burning. Now I'll punch a hole in the end. I'll push this thread through the hole. And then tie a knot in it. This should help Mickey. Hey! What? Wow! This is perfect! It's so easy to find the answers! This is just what I need! That's it! Time is up. Hand in your papers. I did it! Yes! What a relief! Woohoo! Yeah, it's really neat. You're in for a treat. Rah-rah! Go team! Woo! Aw, thank you. You're so kind. I always have time for my fans. Remember, I only accept cash or gold. Now, go away. Being a cheerleader is hard work. And looking this good is… well, it's easy for me. But I'll just have a little touch-up. Hi, Stacy. Can I get your autograph? I'm your biggest fan. Can you make it out to my bestie, Mickey? You've got something in your hair. How did that get up there? Yuck. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. Stacy, I'm so sorry. Wait, I have an idea. I'll place the pencil shaving in this heart mold. I'll add a few more. Then I'll pour over some clear epoxy resin. Now I'll wait for it to set. I can remove it from the mold now. Next, I'll insert earring hooks. And I have custom jewelry. Wow, they're so pretty. Stacy, come back! I have something for you! Earrings? For me? Wow, I love them! They match your eyes. Have you ever thought of a makeover? What is going on? I feel so alive! And dizzy! Come on, let's hang! Wait! That's much better. Wow, everything's blurry! Ouch! Oops. That's my fault. Come on, I'll help you up. School is tough. We get it. But luckily there's always a hack to make the school day easier. What's your best school hack? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.